So see, empirical correlation to get the Hammett plot, Hammett equation. This is the best or simple example. That is what protonation, ionization of carboxylic acid, benzoic acid. When we do the ionization of benzoic acid while dissolving water, it forms hydronium ion, and this is what conjugate base. Formation of this or degree of dissociation, we can say, can be find out, or simply we can say how much it is formed or how much ions are formed. Just observe the value of K. So Ka value is varied from different depend on X. This Ka value depend on X. Yes, direct relationship or indirect relationship. See, why direct? If X is electron withdrawing, then K is higher. And how much withdrawing? Nitro is strong quantitative and qualitative. So qualitatively दो तरह के ग्रुप्स हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग. क्वांटिटी कैसे मालूम कि कितनी क्वांटिटी में स्ट्रांग है, वीक है, मॉडरेट है, वो आपको ये वैल्यू से मालूम होता है. These values tell about which group is how much strong, medium, or moderate, or we can say weak in terms of donation of electron, in terms of withdrawing of electron. And we can go for this plot also. Okay, this plot is a direct nothing but this is a graph of this value. This value which is tabular in the tabular form is nothing but we have drawn in the we have shown in the form of a plot. See this minus log K nothing but the we can say the rate equilibrium constant. We get equilibrium constant but negative sign. So if you draw this, so here will be the lowest negative value means minus 10, 9, like this, goes to this, minus something, 3 point something like this. Okay. See this table. So we can say left to right, the value increases. Therefore, for para-nitro, if nitro group is this as para position, that will show that log K minus log K is highest. If it is a meta-nitro, so that will be somewhat less effective and therefore values decrease. And if it is ortho-nitro, then that is not considered out of the we can say diagonal relation. Out because ortho effect, if any group which is present on ortho position, not studied by the Hammett, there is a drawback of Hammett. Hammett is the name of scientist, okay? Hammett, the drawback of Hammett is he did not study the ortho-nitro and he has given the reason ortho positions are hysterically hindered and therefore ortho substitution has no effect. But we should know ortho positions are highly effective. Okay, yes. So different groups are taken. You see, in all the cases, ortho group is omitted from this line, ortho-nitro, ortho-chloro, ortho-methoxy, like this. And one more point, 2-hydroxypropanic acid is not aromatic, therefore out of this study, and again this ethanoic acid also the same. Okay, fine. That's all. Let's go for the see here linear free energy relationship and the Hammett equation. Okay. If you I think all of you have understood what is the idea. Now we'll go for the Hammett equation or Hammett relationship between the free energy and the Hammett constant. See, so Hammett relationship is only applies to system in which substituents are present attached, okay, to the aromatic ring. That's all. It is very limited, very limited. Hammett equation or Hammett studies are limited to only the aromatic ring, number 1 point, and 2 positions, meta and para position. These 2 points must be remembered. That's very simple. And ortho substitution on the aromatic ring are not considered because of steric crowding through space, means where the reaction site is there, the groups may affect the reaction site because of steric crowding. Therefore, ortho effect is not considered. See now here, this ortho effect, ortho group is considered as a crowding or steric effect. Therefore, it is not studied. Next point is aliphatic also. Do not study, not fall in the study of Hammett because of again there is steric crowding. It is according to Hammett. And also in transition state, these groups, if aliphatic compounds are there and with their flexibility, so there is no chance of relationship between the Hammett equation, equilibrium structure reactivity relationship. Okay. So this is the aliphatic part. So aliphatic compound cannot be studied or not studied by Hammett, and orthoaromatic compounds are also not studied by Hammett. So what are they studied? What are under study of Hammett? Only two: meta para aromatic rings. That's all. See, the Hammett in 1930s, he studied the electronic effect of different substituent on the reaction center. Why? See these two examples. Reaction center consider COS, COD, anything is possible. And he studied only two positions, meta and para positions, and he completed that. And he has given the very important relationship between the Hammett constant and different substituents present. In fact, Hammett find out quantitatively the effect of different groups, or we can say electronic effect of each substituent. Quantitatively means which substituent is how much strong. Just like you consider the CFT crystal field theory, in that we have learned that different ligands they have different effects. Therefore, we got high spin complex, low spin complex. Like similar here, uh, direct relationship is shown by in the terms of quantitative or quantity of a group which is present on the ring at meta and para positions. But it has shown relationship with the hydrogen. Hydrogen is considered as a main or the parent compound, we can say, and by using that hydrogen in the meta and para positions, different groups reactivity are also discussed. Okay. See, delta G is nothing but the free energy change. What is the free energy change? Free energy of the system before the reaction and free energy of the system after the reaction. If you do the minus of free energy of after the reaction, means free energy of product minus free energy of reactant, that is called as the free energy change. Okay. So by comparing the delta G for dissociation constant of substituent of benzoic acid with benzoic acid. So two compounds are studied: benzoic acid, simple benzoic acid, and substituted simple benzoic acid. Sorry, substituted benzoic acid. Okay. So this equation is given. What you do, you no need to remember the whole thing. You just focus here. This much. This is only, that's it. Finish. That's all. Okay. So this can be log kx minus log kh, both of them. So substituent effect can be shown like this. The energy change of the substitute benzoic acid and free energy change in the benzoic acid is equal to this one. See, what is sigma x? It is called as substituent constant or directly Hammett constant. Remember, this sigma x is nothing but with the substituent constant, or we can say Hammett constant. And most important point, you must memorize this or remember this. Electron withdrawing group are therefore characterized by positive value of sigma x and electron donating groups are characterized by negative value of sigma x. This is the theme of Hammett. Remember, the theme of Hammett. Sigma x is positive, means electron withdrawing group are present. See, look at this value. How this one log kx minus log kh. अगर log kx की वैल्यू ज्यादा है more, then only sigma x will be positive or not? Yes. If log kx value is less than this, then this will be negative. And log kx is what? Substituted equilibrium constant for substituted benzoic acid. और अगर हमने भी देखा इसे अपने टेबल में कि अगर वो x जो है, ये x अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, तो बेंजोइक एसिड का क्या ज्यादा आयोनाइजेशन होगा, मींस k वैल्यू विल बी लार्ज. K value will be large. Okay, fine. Hope I think you have understand. Again, see here. This is the table. This table again tells you, give you clear cut idea. Clear cut idea. See this value for simple benzoic acid is minus 3.45. If it is x substituent, x is there. These are the substituents. You pick only one value. So log Ka is minus 3.45 and sigma x is what? 0.75. Okay. So sigma x, this is one positive value. Remember. You put this value here and you will get it. Okay. Fine. And you go for next point. See, if you take this log K minus 3.5 minus 3.56. So if you put the value there, what you will get? Yes. What you will get? Yes. Can you क्या समझा क्या आपको ये पॉइंट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. ओके, ये बार बार आ रहा है सामने. You see, yes, all of you. Now see, try to understand. See, oh, one. See, this log K, log K. What is log K? Log K means acid, benzoic acid as well as substitute benzoic acid. तो अगर ये XH है, ये XH है, that is a simple, तो that value is what? Minus 4.020. And if it is nitro, it is what? Minus 3.45. अगर आप इसका subtraction करते हो, this minus this, that will give you plus 7.7. If you replace this and if you do by putting these values here, you will get this difference, and keeps doing this and you will get this. So from this table and equation, this is a very interesting equation. One can easily say that sigma x will be positive if electron withdrawing groups are present. So this you must remember this. You must memorize this. You must remember this. Okay. Okay. Next point. Now see, Hammett substituents. Okay, Hammett substituent constant. So